Welcome back to Mother Finance Guy. In today's video, I'll be discussing the most recent updates in the crypto space. Let's dive in. Let's talk a bit about the macro aspect first. Stocks in Asia recovered sharply on Thursday thanks to Chinese stimulus and Michael Burry siding, proving that even hedge fund managers need to diversify their portfolios. The US dollar also took a tumble, giving up some of its gains from the previous day as retail sales offered a glimmer of hope for the US economy. The S&P 500 ended the day higher, but gains were limited by fears of more interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. In commodities, oil futures were flat and gold fell, while European stocks ended higher thanks to luxury firms offsetting concerns over strong US data. And in bond markets, US Treasury yields jumped higher, further complicating the Fed's efforts to slow economic growth and hamper inflation. All in all, it was just another day in the exciting world of finance. And now let's talk about crypto. Bitcoin bounces back to 25K. Crypto enthusiasts rejoice as they remember that investing in Bitcoin is like playing a game of Jenga. The higher it goes, the more thrilling the drop. Meanwhile, economists scratch their heads and wonder if BTC's price is really based on anything other than sheer luck and Elon Musk's tweets. To the moon or to the ground. Only time will tell. Others point to institutional investments as the reason for Bitcoin's resurgence. Major companies and financial institutions are starting to take notice of cryptocurrency as a viable investment opportunity, which is, of course, driving up demand and pushing prices higher. It's like Wall Street has finally realized that there is more to life than just stocks and bonds, and they are jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon with both feet. Of course, there's always the naysayers who claim that Bitcoin is just a fad and will never be a serious investment. They argue that cryptocurrency has no intrinsic value and is only worth what people are willing to pay for it. But hey, isn't that true for everything in life? The value of a diamond, for example, is determined by its rarity and the demand for it. So, why can't the same be true for Bitcoin? Am I right? So I say, let's enjoy the ride. On other updates, crypto users rejoice as private keys are now legally protected. But before you break out the champagne, be warned, the catch is that you have to move to Wyoming. It is the perfect plan for those who've always wanted to live in that city or for people who are just really bad at keeping track of their private keys. So get ready to say goodbye to your old home and hello to your new legal protection. Because let's be honest, what's more important, your private keys or your hometown? Next, Credit Suisse, a Swiss multinational financial services company, is reportedly exploring opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. The bank has established a team to research the market and is considering offering cryptocurrency services such as trading and custody to its clients. The move is said to be driven by growing demand from its clients, particularly in the Asia Pacific region, where cryptocurrency adoption is on the rise. Credit Suisse's shift towards cryptocurrencies marks a significant change in the approach as the bank has previously been cautious in its dealing with the industry. Now let's talk about Norway. Did you hear about Norway's latest jackpot? They just recovered $5.9 million in cryptocurrency, seized from those sneaky cyber criminals behind the Axie Infinity hack. The Lazarus Group, or as we like to call them, the Hack Street Boys, were caught red-handed with their virtual hands in the cookie jar. The US government even helped out by recovering $30 million of the stolen loot. But apparently, North Korea has been busy dominating the crypto game, with Chainalysis reporting that they've looted a whopping $1.7 billion worth of cryptocurrencies. Who knew that their major economic contribution was hacking? Honestly, I'm not surprised. What about you? Let me know in the comments. And lastly, let's talk about Binance. According to Reuters, a report from Reuters citing banking records and company messages, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, transferred over $400 million from Binance.US's account to Silvergate Capital, to a trading firm managed by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao between January and March of 2021. It is unclear whether any of the funds originated from Binance.US customers, and we don't know that. We're still waiting confirmation about that part. Binance.US, and Silvergate did not immediately respond to requests for comment about this topic. Binance Coin, the native token of Binance, saw some downward pressure earlier this week due to regulatory scrutiny, but recovered thanks to a broader crypto rally, which can be evidenced today. Anyway, that's all for today, and see you on the next one.